So our main task today, we are going to use pictures to help us retell the text. Yesterday we looked at just finding the facts, but when we come to, but if we use pictures, it makes remembering them a lot easier. So I've just shown you an example here. So Florence was born in nearly 200 years ago in 1820. So I can't draw on the computer. So what I've done is I've just copied a picture from Google just of a baby. So I've got the name Florence, or if I knew how to spell Florence, I could just put F, and then I've put 1820, and then I've drawn a baby. So then that tells me that when I look at that picture, it says Florence was born in 1820. This follows very much the same idea of Talk for Write, where we've been using pictures and symbols to represent sentences or long pieces of text. It just makes things a lot easier. You could even, if you were practicing this and you wanted to learn the facts through pictures, you could do some actions to it. So you could do Florence, so you could almost do you could say Florence was born in 1820 and pretend that you're holding a baby. So that's just one fact that we've got there. And another example, we've got one here. So Florence made sure the hospital was clean, warm and comfortable. So I would draw a woman, maybe draw a nurse. Doesn't have to be a very detailed picture, it's just a quick picture. Florence made sure the hospital, so I've drawn, there's a hospital there. Again, it doesn't have to be very detailed, it's just a quick picture. Was clean and warm. Now I know that one says comfortable, but I've just shown you how I've turned that whole sentence in. Florence made sure that hospitals were clean and warm. So that is what I want you to have a go at. So I have added the book again as a PDF onto the timetable. And I want you to choose a page from the book, have a look through some of them, and draw some pictures for the facts. So again, just look at the facts. What's that telling you? What does it tell you? And for that, can you do 2 or 3 facts? So if you want to do more, that's absolutely fine.